This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 1st, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation here, even though I may talk about trades, even though right now I am long on the Russell. But if you're interested in trading, please contact us here at Right Side Trading. Contact me and check with your financial advisor. Check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that's actually really suitable for you. Let me just jump right over here to the charts and see what I see happening on the charts and what I expect, the upcoming weeks, upcoming months here. I like to say maybe what I see on the charts. Let's minimize, take a quick look. We got all this red here on the right side and a little green on the right side here on the Russell, and that's what ended up getting me long. But let's zoom on in here and take a quick look and see what's happening and wrap this on up. As we can see on the quarterly chart, we did have a red quarter last quarter. We are not quite at the low of the low that I know we can go to. The stochastic is actually kind of straightening out. We are below pivot. We stayed below pivot for the quarter. That's kind of like it's playing towards that pivot game, But that's what I see there on the quarterly chart. Let's go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, I had to create a little zone down here, where this thing can actually go to and bounce. If I want to jump out and jump back in, I won't jump back in until it gets back down here. But as we can see, we ended up with 2 red months. We are below the 9 to 10, whatever I have on here. So the Russell is technically in a bear market at this time. So be careful, be careful, be careful, But as we can see, the Russell looks like a noisy day chart in here with this up and down stuff that it's been doing. So we have to kind of just like I say, we have to kind of wait and see what's going to happen here on the Russell. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, again, you get to see a little bit more of the details of the up and down, how the Russell's like doing it, and how it's in an area right now where it kind of consolidated, clustered, whatever what you want to call this little area. It's in this area now, and I'm kind of looking at, can it bounce out? My stochastic is almost supporting me on that bouncing out of that area and not coming all the way down to the low of this area. At the low of this area, I got the low of the wick and the low of the body of that area. The lowest body of that area is how this ended up coming up. The width, I just made it the same width of this one up here. That's all I did there. And this is what I see here on this weekly chart. Next week, the thing is that I'm seeing that we're going to be opening below pivot, not one of my ideal things. And if we're opening below pivot, we can end up coming down here close to the high of this range, which is the support level right here So that's, again, I need to be mindful of what I'm doing and keep my losses small if I end up with any kind of losses on this type thing. And just try it again, with a better entry on the bottom side. All right, let's take a quick look at the daily. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart. I went in the wrong direction, and let you see what I saw though on the lower time frame though that ended up getting me into a trade. I saw the market dropping, and then I saw the market reversing with the support of my stochastic. And right now, on this time frame, I see that we're going to be right there at that pivot. That's the whole thing. On 2 time frames, I'm kind of going to say, we're going to get above pivot and stay above pivot, or we're going to end up below pivot and stay below pivot. We got to kind of wait and see, because we know this stochastic here, as you can see, it can hang out down here for a while, but it is trying to make a turn. We got to just kind of wait and see what actually happens here. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.